Times are tough for everyone, which is why volunteers are needed now more than ever. By donating a little time each month, your efforts can make a big difference.
By donating just 1 hour a month, your efforts can make a difference in a person's quality of life. Volunteer Solutions through the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging includes many distinct services to adults 60 years of age and older and adults with disabilities. Without the assistance of volunteers, many services and programs would be cost prohibitive, lessening the quality of life for many in your own neighborhood. Debbie Schmidt did volunteer work as a teenager and loved working with the senior population. Time passed, she got married and became busy raising 4 children. But being a volunteer was also something she felt she would get back to, and Helen Carr is glad she did.
It's something that I had missed for so long. Not that I didn't love being a mother and working a little bit, but there's always something inside that longs to serve someone and to help. And I was afraid to overcommit to do something that would require, I don't know, something that would be very, very difficult. And this is so much fun. Now I want to come see Helen as much as possible because it's an easy thing to do, to transport someone.
Now I have friends by the dozens from my church, my neighborhood, and first of all my family that help me shop. But there are days when they're busy and I need something. So that was my concern. And she said, we can do it. So that's how that started.
Helen, how's your list looking for this week?
I enjoy her company. When she comes to my house in her van, she makes sure I get in carefully and have that seatbelt on. And am I okay? And have I been okay all morning? And she's concerned about my health. At my age, that's nice.
Many social and health service agencies have found it increasingly difficult to find enough volunteers to carry out their many needed programs. Economic pressures, changes in lifestyle, and family compositions have meant there are fewer volunteers available from traditional sources.
What are we going to do today, Judy?
Volunteers provide an essential service to older adults by driving them to and from medical appointments or to other destinations such as the pharmacy, bank, or library. Some volunteers help with basic household tasks such as unpacking boxes or straightening cupboards and closets, or organizing paperwork and reading mail.
We have volunteers from all walks of life. The only thing they really have in common is their desire to help older adults and adults with disabilities. But except for that, they run the gamut. They are retired people, they're working professionals, they are stay-at-home parents who bring their children along to volunteer. We really have a lot of people with various interests and talents, and we welcome all of them.
There are many different volunteer opportunities with the Area Agency on Aging. The programs involve volunteers over the age of 18 in direct service with clients 60 and over and adults with disabilities. If you would like to know more about volunteer opportunities with the Area Agency on Aging, call the volunteer intake number at 703-324-5406. TTY 703-449-1186, or visit the Volunteer Solutions website